was that?
I had a cold twitch.
You twitched the crown off? You scared me. I think making a lot of noise on the way down.
We're not gonna talk about it.
There's video evidence, though.
Nope.
Yeah, so I'm gonna clip it.
Nope. Alright, I can do this.
Oh boy.
We got this. So like it's real simple today, you know, it's just the King hoodie and some
Let's get it. Pose, pose, pose.
There you go. Game's on. Game's on. Back to the game. Back to the game. Moves on you. Constantly. This is horrible.
Hey guys, you're all fucked in here. Bye!
Oh no. Oh, ruined one.
Bloody hell! I'm just sitting out here watching spaceships take off. Streamers die.
Streamers are gonna die tonight, yeah.
Hey, what's this button do?
I ran out of chains. Got it, I grabbed it. Okay, well that's nice. I can grab too. Why can't I? What just happened? Are you like in my way? Oh shit! Oh shit! Balls! 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 Ah! No! 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 No!
Good luck, fam.
How do I get up? There's a shark.
A lot of garbage in this water.
I know. We need to gather as much as we possibly can. I'm afraid if someone else is joining, there's like not enough room on this boat currently. Definitely need this water. I love how there's like little things where I can completely remember, like, okay.
That sounded bad.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Are you okay?
I don't even want to look at stream yet.
Oh my god, what is happening?
I don't know. I think switching to Fall Guys is a bad idea.
Do I need to come out there?
I'm okay. Ah! No! 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 I will keep that no. No. Why did it- Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Give me the water though.